Today I will show you one of the versatile AI tools, such as Generate Image, Image to Video, Text to Video, Background Editing, Upscale Image, Photo to Sketch, Lighting, Text Effect, and turning sketch images into 3D or realistic. Chapter 1. Sketch Rendering. If you have a sketch and you want to make it more attractive, you can use this feature. Upload your sketch and then choose a model that matches the sketch you created. But if the sketch you created is an interior design, such as bedroom, floor plan, kitchen, bathroom, living room, or building construction, then you must choose the interior design that matches the sketch. Then select Render Mode, select a suitable style, and finally click Generate. Chapter 2. AI Image Generation. Type in the prompt text you want, select the model you want to use, and select the scale you need, and click Generate. This is almost the same way as other AI tools to generate images. Chapter 3. Creative Fusion. Here you can combine two images at once, very similar to the blend feature in Mid-Journey. Upload images here, select the first image, then the second image, then you select Image Style, select the model and customize the model. If your image is a landscape, then select Landscape, but if your image is a human object, choose men, women, or kids. Basically just adjust it to your needs. Chapter 4. Image Variation. You can create your own image variations with this feature without entering a text prompt or use a text prompt, and you only need to set the variation and click Generate. Chapter 5. Photo to Sketch. As the title suggests, this feature converts photos into sketches. You can also choose a sketch design that suits your image model. Don't forget to select Render Mode so that your photo looks perfect, then click Generate. Chapter 6. HD Upscaler. You can also use this feature easily, and the results are good, not inferior to other upscale tools. Upload images, select Natural or Anime mode, and set the upscale to high. Click Generate. Chapter 7. Erase and Replace. This feature is similar to Edit Canvas. In Leonardo AI, you can edit images, delete unwanted objects, and can change colors. The way you just use this, select the object to be changed, type the prompt text if needed, click Generate. Chapter 8. Outpainting. This feature can be used to change the aspect ratio of the image, and you can add a text prompt to make your image more distinct. Chapter 9. Relight. This feature you can use to edit or add lighting to images like in Photoshop. Chapter 10. Image to Video. Those of you who often use Pika Labs or Leonardo AI are certainly familiar with text-to-video. This AI tool also provides text-to-video. How to upload an image and set the motion to high click generate. Chapter 11. Text to Video. This feature is also in this AI tool. You can directly type the text prompt to turn it into a video. You can also set the style model, aspect ratio, and motion. This AI tool is good, right? Last month, this AI tool was still free and no watermark. So are you interested in trying it? I will put the link in the description. Chapter 12. AI Supermodel. This feature I like is that you can change gender, face model, hair, age, size, expression. You can also change the background according to the theme of the image, in outdoor or indoor. The way you select the image to be changed, then set all the styles and click Generate. Chapter 13. Background Diffusion. This feature I have never tried in other AI tools. This becomes very interesting if you have a product and want to change the background easily. This AI tool is the solution. How do you select the part to be edited? Select Pure Color. Select the style that matches the product and set the scale. Click Generate. Chapter 14. Text Effects. This feature is similar to Adobe Firefly. The difference is that this AI tool can be used only to enter a writing image, not created with a text prompt. Upload the text image that you have created in Photoshop, then select the model provided and set the render mode. I will try several styles and their render modes. You can customize later and click Generate. Conclusion. What do you think about this AI tool? AI technology is very helpful for content creators, designers, and other sectors. Please write in the comments column if you have any questions and appreciate me by like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.